Hey there, YouTube world. We're doing a oil change on a 2011 Range Rover HSE Supercharged today. We're going to make this a quick video, taking into account that you guys know a lot of the basics, like how to remove the plastic cover off the top of the engine, how to unscrew the oil cap, and how to get the oil filter housing over here off. There's some other videos that show some more detailed stuff. We're going to use this oil filter pliers. In this particular location, I think the actual that cap that would go on top of there would probably be a better tool, but this is what I have and this works. It worked for me. I've already loosened that up a little bit. So we're using Eneos full synthetic oil 520. This is a factory fill for the Rovers, I believe. And we picked up a Molly original oil filter for about $40 from Olympus Imported Auto Parts in the Northern Virginia area. So good quality parts to go in with our oil change. First thing that we're going to do is loosen up the cap over here where the oil filter goes so that we can break the pressure and begin to evacuate our oil. You see how this is kind of not the best, but it's going to work for us today. So alright, let's see if we can get this back on now. Yeah, a little loose there. Still a little tight. Yeah, definitely that cap wrench would be a lot better here with a socket for this application. So. Alright, it's getting pretty loose now. Just need to make sure that it breaks the seal inside the crankcase so that we can evacuate the oil from the top here. Some of the other videos you'll see online here. There we go, now it's good and loose. We'll leave that loose like that. They're using the large Mighty Vac, really tall pump to evacuate the oil. I have a CTA brand, part number 7077. It's a extraction syringe, pulls out 1.6 quarts at a time, and then we'll just evacuate that into a 5-gallon water jug that we use for waste fluids and stuff here. So let's go ahead, come on over here, and this tube right here is what evacuates the oil. It's like a dipstick, goes straight down in there. So these adapters come with this, so we just slide that over, and then we should just be able to pull back on here and get some oil to come out. There we go. Alright. Let's fill our cap up a little bit more. Pull a little suction and give it a second and it starts coming. You just gotta be patient with this. I can feel it releasing the vacuum and just coming out a little bit. Alright, this is going to be the 6th extraction we did. This has been working out great for this. I love this injector, this evacuator. I can use it for lawnmowers, for changing oil there, for all kinds of fluid transfer things. One of the things we found that came in real handy here was this little stand here to hook it right on the fender here as you pull, and it just made it easier to pull for us to evacuate. Here comes the oil. You just give it a keep pulling on it. This should be the last of the oil coming out now, and then we'll wrap this up. So it does take quite a bit of vacuum pull on this. I could see if guys had a shop why they'd have the Mighty Vac style stand where you just pump it. That would be much more efficient if you were doing this all the time. But for the do-it-yourselfer, this is a great tool, and you can use it for other things, more household, especially if you have lawn equipment, things of that nature. All right, we're just about be done here. This holds a 1.5 quart. So there it goes. That's all she wrote. Alright, so now we're completely empty here. Pull this out. I'll show you how we've been draining this. Just pull it over. Drop it down in here. And then it's just a lot easier coming out than it was going. So we can do its thing, dripping and draining. Alright, we're going to pull the filter out now. Alright, here we go. We're going to want to replace this O-ring. Snug little fit to it. Alright. Our new filter. Molly original filter. If you want the part number for this. So it gets in there nice and snug. Alright. Take a look in here. See how we can get that to snap on. Alright, go ahead and reinstall that. We'll tighten that up. Then we'll go ahead and put our 8.5 quarts of Eneos in there. And then the last and final step is to go into the computer on the dash and check the oil level there, because there is no dipstick. You can only check it electronically. And then we'll also reset the service reminder on there as well. So there's some other videos on YouTube about that, but it's actually pretty simple, and it can be in your owner's manual. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like and give any comments below, and we'll respond. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.